This is a nice question from November 21 that's got a nice insight into vector planes and lines. This is the point B floating in space. It's not on the plane. And they're asking us to find the point B dash, which is like symmetrically on the other side of the plane. So the first understanding is to realize that it's to do with this line here that is perpendicular to the plane, and BC is the same vector as CB dash. It's a tradition to call the image after transformation with a dash. And this is the same method as finding the shortest distance between a point and a plane. And the method is based on finding the equation of the line BC, and then we're going to say the intersection of a line and a plane method. Now, first of all, the equation of the line BC is simple. In fact, it doesn't require any working at all. We can just write it down because you know from understanding planes that when you're given the equation of the plane, we of course instantly know what the normal is. Such good practice to draw the normal on your diagram. And so there it is, that's the normal to the plane, and that's the very vector I'm after. So I'm trying to find the equation of the line through BC. So equations of line look like this, where R can be thought of as X, Y, Z. And so I've done it. It's got this sort of starting point, 0 minus 2, 0, or fixed point. And then we have as many of these 2 0 minus 2s as we like. So now let's find the point C by doing the method for intersection of line and plane, which you should just know instantly. Say to yourself the method. Yep, very good. It is convert the line into parametric. So I've done that. Then substitute this into the plane. In fact, we don't have to substitute the y. We substitute that in there, and then we can work out lambda, and it turns out to be 3/8. And so we've now found the point C we can take that 3/8 and plug it into the equation of the line, and we will find the point C. Let's just recap what a line actually is. When lambda is equal to 0, we are at B. We can see that. That's how we define the line. When lambda is at 0, we're at B. When lambda is 3/8, we're at C. And therefore, by definition of what a line is, when lambda is equal to 6/8, then I must be at B dash. And so therefore, by plugging in lambda equals 6/8, I find the coordinates of B dash. How lovely. And if I wanted to find the distance, the shortest distance between B and the plane, I would do the same method with lambda equals 3/8, and then I can find C and just find the length of BC. Straightforward.